Dave no didn't too. Photizo with Melan Sibiya. Bonjour, ça va? Comment ça va? Comme si. Hey, au revoir. Hey, welcome to Photizo. Hey, my name is Melan Sibiya and I'm your host for this wonderful show. So actually today I'm going to cook. I'm going to show all men out there that hey, you can impress your woman. Hey, this Women's Month, you can cook. Actually, so myself today I'm cooking. So Dave no didn't meaning it's dinner time with Melan Sibiya. Dave no didn't at Photizo with Melan Sibiya. So without any waste of time, today I'm going to cook very beautiful food. Those who doesn't like beef, this is for you now. So I'm cooking chicken golden blue topped with mushroom sauce. How nice it is. So I'll be adding savory rice, stir fry, and other things. So here there is, as you can see, there is my ingredients. I have lemon, I have lettuce, I have quite a lot of ingredients, and cheddar cheese. Actually, I have roasted today. I'm going to impress you. I'm going to impress your woman, because if I impress your woman, I mean, of course, it should be happy. I impress you so that you impress your woman. The main thing is to impress everyone. Photizo with Melan Sibiya. Hey, if it's your first time you watch this wonderful program, don't hesitate to share it with your friends and your friends' friends. Don't forget to hit that notification bell after you have subscribed. Stay tuned. Ciao. For me to start with chicken golden blue, you need to have chicken breast of course, and you will need to have ham, you will need to have cheese, and you need to have eggs, you need to have what is this? You need to have, what is this? breadcrumbs. So yeah. Okay, so you just do it on. So I just prepared my chicken. Remember, I put ham, cheese, and then I put what do you call this? What do you call it? you that I'm going to eat. This is. Comment below what do you think about the food. But the food is very nice. Yeah. My visitors, they are enjoying the food. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. I think you saw I can cook. Of course, it's not someone's work. Of course, it's my work. Enjoy. If it's your first time you watch this video, if it's not your first time, it's still good. Like it, share it with your friends and your friends' friends. Don't forget to subscribe. YouTube channel, subscribe. Subscription, actually, it's free. Hey, it's free, man. Just subscribe. Can you keep quiet, please? Subscription is free. Please don't hesitate to subscribe and share it with your friends and your friends' friends. Actually, see you next time. It's time to eat, actually.